Hello, in front of me I've got RAZER NAGA PRO. In this video I'll show you how to manage your mouse RGB. In the beginning, make sure that the mouse is connected with your PC and download Razer Chroma. Open the Chroma and select Dashboard and RAZER NAGA PRO. Here you can adjust brightness level, switch off lighting and effects. Go to Advanced Effects and select Launch Chroma Studio. Here you can set up everything about your RGB. Firstly, you can manage effect layers, zones. You can change color, pattern, boost, decay, and many more. Basically, your imagination only locks you. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.